𝗕𝗏 here. Thanks for checking out this video. It was recorded in front of a full house during my 2024 Summer Qigong Workshop. For more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and please like, comment, and share this video.
Let us begin with a foundational, fundamental Qigong principle, and that is relaxation. The big idea in Qigong is that Qi, internal energy, flows more readily through soft, relaxed tissue. Tense tissue impedes Qi flow. So if we want to move more energy, we need to relax. We've got a very accomplished group here, and you think of all your education and all your training, how much of that was allocated to relaxing and releasing stress? Not so much. But in Qigong, you begin to learn how to specifically release stress at ever deeper levels. So I want to start with the simple exercise, and we're gonna make fists. So if you've got something going on in a wrist, hand, or finger where making a fist causes discomfort, don't do it. Or use one hand, or squeeze only to the point where it doesn't hurt. All that we're going to do today is the aim is it's pain-free. Place your hands like this and get your mind in them. Feel your hands and fingers. Whatever sensations you feel, get your mind in them. Now, make fists and squeeze. And feel. What do you feel in your hands? Keep squeezing. And feeling. Then inhale. And on the exhale, just release. Let your hands just release. Continuing to feel them. All right, let's try that again. Make fists and squeeze. Feeling. Whatever you feel. Keep squeezing and feeling. Then inhale. On the exhale, release. And feel. Continue to feel your hands and fingers. What you did when you made fists was basically the same physiological process that happens when we have tension anywhere in our body. And when you release, what do you feel? Some people might have felt warmth, and that's the increased blood flow that happens when you relax tense tissue. For most people, it feels better. So the challenge becomes most of the tension in our body we don't really feel until it becomes pathological, so something hurts. And that's because mainly we're not trained to feel it. And in Qigong, you can begin to train to feel your body in increasing depth and detail and identify where it's tense and begin to release the tension. If you've been on the planet for several decades, like most of us here, you may have been baking tension into different parts of your body for decades. How you sit, how you work, how you live. I'm not going to release all that in a few minutes, but over time, instead of carrying these habits of tension and stress that we develop, we can begin to develop habits of relaxation. And Qigong is a wonderful foundation for developing habits of relaxation.